everyone, happy Valentine's Day. For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon Valentine's Minnie Mouse. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Valentine's Day Mini, we're going to begin right here in the middle of our paper, and we're going to make a sad face shape for the top of the head. So we're going to start right here, and we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then we're going to come down to here. Next, right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve out. It's going to go around and then curve up. Now, right here on this little curve, we're going to bring it in just a little bit on each side, just by making a little line. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and then go down. And then we're going to make another one that's going to go up and then down. Next, let's draw some eyes. Starting here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. We're going to leave some space, and then we'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to add two little half circles inside of each one, and then we'll just color in the inside. Same thing here, just two little half circles and color in the inside. Next, we'll make a little oval shape for the nose. And then we'll just color the nose in. Now starting here, I'm going to make a little curved line for a smile with a little line above it. And then right on the sides, we'll make a couple little curved lines just for some eyelashes. Starting here, we're going to make a nice big circle for one of her ears. Then we'll do the same thing on this side. We'll just make a nice big circle shape for one of the ears. Right here, we're going to make her bow. So let's start off with a little circle at the top. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. Then another one over here, we're going to go up and then down. And then we'll make a little line inside each one. Now for the body, let's start here. We're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then you can see it comes out a little bit. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down, and we're going to bring it out. Then we're just going to make a little line that's going to come across. Next, we'll draw a little kind of smiley face shape here for the top of her dress, and a little line across for the bottom. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come out, and then another one right underneath it for her arm. We'll do the same thing here. We'll make a little line that comes out, and then another one right here. Next, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up and down, and a little line that's going to curve around for her hand. Now in this hand, we're just going to make a little line that's going to come up, and then we're just going to curve it around for like a thumb. Then right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve up and down. And another one that's just going to curve up and down, and then we're going to bring it back up. So it looks like she's holding a little tiny heart. And then we'll just connect this line. Starting here, we're going to draw two little lines down, and then two more little lines down over here, with a little line across each one. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come out, and then it's just going to curve back. Same thing here, we're just going to go out, and then we're just going to curve back for her shoes. Now, on our dress, we can draw a little heart, so we'll make a little line that's just going to curve up and down. And then we'll do the same thing here. We just kind of curve out, and then we just bring it in here. Then on her dress down here, we can just make some nice little polka dots just to add a little bit more detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Valentine's Minnie Mouse. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.